everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the chain stitch. It's not stitch, basically it's chain. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Yarn over your hook, pull through the loop. This is one chain. Yarn over, pull through. These are two chains. Yarn over, pull through, three chains. If the pattern asks you to proceed with single crochets into the next stitch, all of this goes right like this. Place your hook like this and make single crochet as usual, and you end up like this. This is it. If you have to make more chains, you yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Here is your chain. If you have any questions or comments, you can place them down below.